If you think a luxury watch can't be built for real sport, meet the Richard Mille RM 41-01. A football-themed monster made for match timing, launched as a flagship piece for the 2026 World Cup year. This is a manual-wind Tourbillon flyback chronograph that doesn't just look like a stadium, it actually tracks the game. Only 60 watches total exist, 30 in Deep Blue Quartz TPT and 30 in Burgundy Red Basalt TPT. Retail is around 1.45 million Swiss francs, roughly supercar money times 10. As you watch the assembly, look at the architecture. A grade 5 titanium skeletonized baseplate and bridges, microblasted, hand-chamfered, and PVD treated. The movement packs about 650 components, developed over 5 years with L'Occitane expertise. Notice how the case is engineered like equipment. The mid-case is carbon TPT, and the full case uses 105 parts to stay light but insanely rigid. Even the crown has a soccer-textured rubber ring, and the pushers are protected with 5N gold guards for confident operation. At 9 o'clock, the match phase indicator jumps through first half, second half, and extra time. And the wildest part, a mechanical goal counter. One button for the home team, one for the away team, up to 9 goals each, then auto resets at 10. Add 70 hours of power reserve and 5,000 G shock resistance. And this isn't just a watch, it's a football machine. So be honest, is this worth 1.5 million USD level money? Drop your verdict in the comments.